Hey you guys, welcome back to Chiq Blend. My name is Richenza Marie.
And my name is Qui.
So today we are going to be doing a wear and tear and a little bit of a review of this Gucci Marmont Velvet shoulder bag, you guys.
Ooh,
hey. And I have Qui here. She's going to be my sidekick for today. And she's going to be asking me some questions because you were thinking about getting this bag, right?
I'm thinking about getting that bag in red, but in leather. But I would like to know about the velvet, so we're gonna ask some questions.
Hey.
You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Are y'all ready? Oh, okay, you say yeah? Okay, girl, don't worry, I got you. I got you, girl. Okay, so the first question is, what made you purchase this bag?
So for this bag, this actually was like the first Gucci bag that I ever wanted. I don't know if you remember, I like searched online for it for a long time, and every time I went to it, it was sold out.
Okay.
So for quite some time, I've just been wanting this bag. The structure of the bag was just beautiful. I love like the gold hardware on it, and as you guys can tell, I'm like all about black. So when I saw this and it had like the gold hardware, I freaking fell in love with this bag. I was like, I got to have it. So yes, that's why I wanted it. It's my signature black and gold.
What are some of the pros of the bag?
It is like a soft bag. I feel like that you can put more items inside of it because it like stretches. Like when I had so much inside of this purse and it just kept stretching. Although you don't really want to like stretch your bags out, but I felt like I could hold everything that I wanted in this bag. So I would definitely say the structure, since it is soft, I could fit so much into this bag. And I love the fact that you can wear it multiple ways because the chain actually moves. You can wear it crossbody, you can wear it just as a shoulder, or you can wear it like as a top handle. So okay. I really love that.
What's your favorite way to wear it?
For me, crossbody. I love wearing it crossbody. It's just easy, it's simple, and it looks so darn good, girl.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it looks good.
Oh. Girl, it look good.
It looks so good.
Okay, so what are some of the cons of the bag?
It's freaking velvet. So anytime that you wear something, it attracts lint like nobody's business. Like if you wear something white, if you have like a towel around, it's like you have to be really careful with the velvet because everything sticks to it. Just know what type of bag handler that you are. Like if you are the type, yeah, like if you're the type of person that like likes to wear white or always around something that's like linty, or you just like to throw your purse around, the velvet is not for you. Like you need to get the leather. Because if you toss this bag, chances are, see, look, I got lint all over my bag. It's so lint.
Basically, you have to keep a lint roller.
Yeah, it's like you need a freaking lint roller for a $1,400 bag.
$1,500.
This is bullshit.
Actually, $1,600.
Bullshit.
What other cons do you have about the bag? So the first thing is that it collects lint. Do you have any other cons about the bag?
Yes. So other than it collecting lint, since it is velvet, anytime like the chain right here is like resting on the bag, or if these straps are resting on the bag, it has like an indent that comes into the velvet. I know you were seeing like if I were to like move it around a little bit, the indents will come out, like the indentations. But it takes a long time for the indentations to come out. So that's something that I don't like. So when you move the chains, all you see is like the indent of the chains, and I don't like that.
So as I'm looking at it, I see that it's a gap here. Have you lost anything from these little gaps?
No. And what's so crazy is I was worried about that when I purchased it. But even like my lipsticks, everything stay intact. Nothing moves.
Okay.
Nothing moves.
Okay, so now can you do the wear and tear on the bag? You've had the bag since what, October?
Yep, I've had this bag since October of 2017. And I would say for the wear and tear, it's actually been holding up pretty good. Since it is the velvet, on the edges, it has like a little bit, it's kind of worn down and it's turning like a little bit white.
Yeah. Do you want to show them the wear and tear? Okay, so this, as you see, is the lint on the bag, and this is primarily from setting the bag on the bed where there's white linen. So as you see, this is the damage from that. Right here, it's a little bit of wear. And then again in the corner, there's a little bit of wear. Not much, but just enough so that I notice it. Someone looking at the bag would not notice it though. Would you recommend it for someone who wants to use that as their everyday bag?
No, I do not feel like this would be an everyday bag. At least the velvet. I feel like the leather, I feel like if you got the leather, you would be able to wear that every day. But with the velvet, I feel like the wear and tear on it, I feel like if you wear this every day, it will look horrible. Just period. I feel like the edges will become worn. It'll look like a big lint ball. I feel like it will be a lint ball if you wear this every day. So my favorite parts on this bag, I would say, is the gold chain. I love the gold hardware. And then you guys, on the back, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll do a close-up on it though. So on the back, it has like this cute little heart that's back there. And it's just so cute. That's like one of the reasons why I really wanted this purse, because of this gold heart.
Oh my goodness.
I love it.
And then the inside, how do you feel about the inside? So the inside of this bag is pink.
I love the inside of this bag.
Oh, like, show them the inside.
It's like a pink color, and it's like a satin material. And it's just so nice. It's super smooth. I just love the pink. And you know what? I put so much inside of this purse, and I don't see like any marks in it at all. I'm doing really good with this purse.
You are. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
She knows I'm like the purse torturer.
I know, and she just got mad because I squeezed the bag, and she's like, "Don't squeeze my bag." And I'm like, "Girl, you have put a carton of milk on top of my Chanel bag."
I had no
or
idea.
literally like thrown my bag in the back seat like it was a frisbee.
What's so weird is like when you like spend so much money on a purse and it's yours, it's like your baby. And it's like, don't you touch it. That's how I felt. As soon as I saw her hands clenched down,
I just wanted to feel, like I hadn't really paid much attention to the bag. So I just wanted to feel it to see, you know, if it felt structured or how it felt. Mm-hmm. And it's so smushy that I just wanted to, you know.
Oh my God.
I just wanted to squeeze it.
So
and she got mad at me.
Well, I did, but it's okay though. It bounced right back.
It did.
Yep.
It got that bounce back.
Oh,
bounce back. Bounce back.
Hey.
And is that it?
That's all, girlfriend.
Okay guys, so that is the end of our video. If you liked our video, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to put the little bell mark there, like click the little bell mark, so every time we release a video, you guys will be notified, because that's very important. Don't you want to know when we come on? Like, you know, when we gonna be here? I know you do. I know you do, girl, because you're gonna be here right with us. And also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Our name is the same, chiqblend. Okay, and so until next time, don't forget to stay chic. Chiq Squad out.
Can't do drip, drip, drip. Can't do drip, drip, drip. Can't do drip, drip, drip. This camera is so lopsided.
I told you it was lopsided.
I tried to fix it and I'm over it.
And you said, I ain't done nothing else to it. I'm like, we lopsided as hell, but you know.
We are really lopsided.
I told you that.
You are scrunching my purse up.
And what's so funny is,
look how you squishing it.
It's a squishy bag.
What you like?
What's so funny is, you literally throw my bag places.